Discover World Map screen. Flying in aircraft, select air liveries. Button. Airbus A320 Neo, V2, cruise speed 400, selected, air, select, air, search, HECA/Cairo I, search results. Text entry field, select to enter text. Set as departure. Button. Select arrival, search results, 0, select arrival. Select arrival, select arrival. Combo, search results. Search. OEMA. Direct. Flight conditions, plot. Loading, please wait. 63%. Loading, please wait. 70%. Loading, please wait. 83%. Loading, please wait. 84%. Ready to fly. Track up, minimize U, expand UI panel. Button. FLTCTLSEC1. Engine 1 bleed. Sent, fuel mode selector, APU generator. Fuel mode select, battery 1, battery 2. Off, battery 1. On. Set battery 1. External power. APU generator. On, APU bleed. Off. Set AP, engine not started. To start engines press Ctrl+E. Travel, ADIR3, ADIR1, ADIR2. IR2, ADIR2, FO wiper, ND map mode. Hold left click to lock. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. Controls options screen. PC mouse to keyboard profile, camera, external camera, fixed camera. Instrument views. Toggleable category head, instrument, fixed camera, toggle instrument. Toggle, previous instrument, toggle instrument view 1, binding 1, Ctrl+1. Toggle instrument view 1, toggle instrument view 1, pop-up window. Toggle instrument view 1. The pop-up has 3 lines. Use the first line to scan for an input by previous toggle instrument view 1, binding, toggle instrument view 10, binding 1, Ctrl+0. Toggle instrument view 10. Press ESC to go back. Press M to open preset manager. So, VR, camera reset, binding 1, space. Instrument views. Currently visible, toggle instrument view, drone camera, yaw, translate drone up, binding 1, R. Translate the drone up. Press ESC to go back. Press M to open preset manager. Toggle plane controls, binding 1, C. PC options menu, Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. Camera. Pack 1. On. APU fire test. Right tank pump, external power. Bus tie. Commercial LX supply. Left tank, centered, fuel mode, center tank, right tank, AC essential feed. Auto. Set ACS feed. Press overhead intake light, APU start, wing lights. Off. Beacon lights. Engine not started. To start engines press Ctrl plus E. Dome light, annunciator lights. Hold left, emergency exit lights. Hold left click to lock, annunciator lights. Hold left click to lock. Right land, no slash taxi, right landing lights, left landing light. Return, strobe light, beacon lights. On. Wing lights. On. 8, overhead intake light. Hold left click to, seat belt, no smoking sign. Emergency exit lights. Hold left click. Pack 1, GPWSG/S mode. GPWSG/S mode. Off. Set eyes, emergency, dome light. Engine not started. To start engines press Ctrl plus E. Pack 1. On. APU start. Press. Expedite mode. Off. OB, CLR. +/- CPT, L4. L3, L1. Close. Checklist, ATC scroll lock. 4. Ground service, 3. CPT VHF2. Hold left click to lock. 4. CPT VHF1. Select VHF1. Off. Select VHF1. Off. Set VHF1. Press left click to interrupt 1.
Cairo clearance delivery player 320 IFR to Medina ready to copy.
22.8. 2. Base. Warning. Warning.
Player 320 cleared to Medina Airport is filed.
Unavailable.
Takeoff runway 5 center climb and maintain 7,000 feet. Departure on 119.35 squawk 5454.
Knob log N. Checklist Shift plus C. Basic controls Control plus C. Objectives. Travel to. Weather. Weight and balance. Custom toolbar. Check. Travel to. Check. Lightness. VFR. Custom toolbar. 2. 6. 2. 2. 3. Request ramp 4. Request baggage service. 5. Request catering
Ground
service.
player 320, could you please send a catering truck?
4.
Ground player
baggage
320, could you please send a baggage?
6. Go. 5. Request 4. 3.
Ground
Request
player
ramp
320,
connection.
could you please send a ramp?
6. Go back, Cairo, COM 2 not in use 120. COM 1 Cairo G 1. 5. Request 3. Ground services. 6. 1. Expand UI panel, minimize, expand UI panel. Button. Init. R2. L4. CLR. E. Init. D. DIR. Left. Init. Left. CPT tray table. Full. Terrain on. Weather. ND map range. Master caution. Press. Set master caution. Press left click to interact. FPLN, L4, R1, DIR, CLR, SP, base, AT, R3, CLR, SP, Six, 1, 4, 2, fuel prep, R2, R4, air, fuel, in a, DIR, MCDU MET, CPT footrest. Objectives: loudspeaker volume, hold left click to lock. ATC scroll lock. 2, 5, 6, go back to clearance. 3, 2, request 1, 2. ATC, minimize UI panel. Button. Move UI panel to external window. Button. COM3 not in use 124.850. Tab. ATC, ATC. COM1 Cairo GND South 120.400. Tab. Cairo 1, 1, Tune Cairo 1, Tune Cairo ATIS 1, Tune Cairo 8, U, ground player 320. Could you please send a RAM? Com to Cairo GND South, player 320. A ramp is on its way. Cairo GND. Cairo ATIS on 122, Cairo, player 320 is cleared to Medina Airport as filed. Take off runway 5C, climb and maintain 7,000. U, Cairo. 1, 3, ground services. Button. FPLN. Cairo, L1. L2, L3, R6, DIR. Cairo AT. COM2 not in use 122.800. Tab. ATC scroll lock. ATC. ATC. V. Radio kilohertz selector. Hold left click to lock. VHF1, CPT VHF1. Hold left click to lock. Select VHF1, 2, 2, 1, 2, COM2 HE, V8, radio swap. Press, cut, CPT boards, CPT VHF1. Hold left click to lock. Tune ground on 120.400. Button. Radio swap. Est, COM1 HECA1, VHF2. Press. VH, radio megahertz selector. Hold left click to lock. ST, CPT VHF1. Hold left click to lock. AM. Radio swap. Press. Radio kilohertz selector. Hold left click to lock. Radio megahertz selector. Hold radio swap. CPT 2 1 1. Tune Cairo ATIS on 100 1 1. Tune Cairo AT1, CPT VHF1. Hold left click to lock, CPT VHF1. Hold left click to lock. Cairo 1. Tune Cairo ATIS 1. Tune Cairo AT1. COM2 Cairo GND South 100. COM3 not in. COM2 Cairo GND South 120.400. AM. Radio kilohertz selector. Hold left click to lock. Radio megahertz selector. Radio swap. Press.
Cairo Airport
Radio
information,
kilohertz
Sierra
selector.
2300 Zulu.
Hold left click to lock.
1025 at 10. Visibility.
COM1
Cairo
HEC,
Airport information, Sierra 2300 Zulu.
Press.
1025
Radio
at 10.
kilohertz selector.
Visibility, tree.
Hold left click
Sky
to lock.
condition, clear.
1.
Temperature,
Cairo
29er.
2
Dew
Cairo
point,
ATIS
10.
on 100.
Cairo Airport
2,
information,
3.
Sierra
Ground
2300
services.
Zulu. 1025 at 10. Visibility, tree. Sky condition, clear.
ATC.
Temperature, 29er. Dew point, 10. Altimeter 29er decimal 80. Ground player tree 20, could you please send a ramp? Player tree 20, a ramp is on its way.
GND South. Player, close. 4. Request baggage service. Minimize, expand UI panel. Button. ATC. 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 Com to Cairo GND South 106. Go 3 1 2 1. Com weather. Weather 2025. List with 100 meter. Button. Select an airport from PR Cairo INTL meter. Show off. 14 weather. 2025 list with 111 valid time weather 20 Cairo meter Cairo INTL HECA 1 nautical miles drop down list select to view available choices. Minimize UI panel. Close. August. Minimize. Time of day 1:37. 11:37 UTC. Slider. 250. 220. 1. 241. 230. 230. 12:30 UTC. 209. 252. 252. 230. 230. 230. 15. Time of day 2:36. Time of day 2:36. 12:36 UTC. Slider. 240. 237. 236. Live weather. Time of day 2:36. 12:30. 2025. Live. On. Off. Weather. 20. Real. Close. Button. Master caution. Press. Air data switch in it. Left. Airport. Prague. F8 C A. MCDU menu. CLR, L. I. Nautical H. L. 3. 8. Data. R4. R6. T. CLR. O. R6. Data. D. L6. R5. Prague. L6. I. Rating 5. 2. 3. Data. R2. Data. R6. Console/floor light. Hold left click to lock. Move UI panel, ATC scroll lock. Cut 2, 3, 6, 4, request baggage service. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, request ramp connection. Button. Five, 2, 3.
Ground player
request ramp
tree
connection.
20, could you please send a ramp?
Player tree 20, a ramp is on its way.
3. Request ramp disconnection. ATC. Minima, expand UI panel. Button. Move UI, COM to Cairo GND South 100, Cairo G. 2. Request power supply. Button. request power, basic 5. 3. Request ramp disconnection. Button. Bait. 4. Request baggage service. 5.
Ground player tree 20, could you please send a catering truck?
Custom
Player
toolbar.
tree 20,
Custom
the
toolbar.
catering truck is on the road.
Options menu. Page 1 of 1. General options screen. Search bar. Text entry field. Select. Press E. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. General assistance options screen. Failure and damage. Custom. Failure. Aircraft systems. Aircraft systems. Toggle. Unlimited fuel. Off. List with 2 values. Adjust whether you want press ESC to go back. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. General options screen. Set traffic button. Experiment. Press options menu. Assistance options screen. Navigation. Aircrafts. Auto mix. Unlimited fuel. On. Off. Press F11 to apply. Press E. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. Assistance options. Button 3. ATC scroll lock. 5, 4. Request 6, 3, 2, 1, 3. Ground. Cairo GND. 4. ATC minimum. Expand UI panel. Button. Pack 2. AC essential feed. Generate. APU start. Press. Start. APU mask. F. Man beast. APU start. Press. Engine 2 bleed. Hot air. Pack 2. Engine 2 bleed. On. App. External. AC essential. External power. On. Set EXTPWR. APU start. APU generator. On. APU start. App cabin, hot air. On. External power. Off. Set EXTPWR. APU master switch. APU master switch. Press. APU blink. APU start. Press. Start APU. APU start. Press. Overhead intake light. Pack 2. External power. On. Set EXTPWR. Press left click to interact. APU start. Press. X bleed valve. Hold left click. APU RAM air guard. Close. APU generator. On. Pack 2. IDG2 guard. IDG external power. Off. Set APU generator. Off. Set APU gen. APU start. Press. Start APU. Press left click to enter. CPT put weight and balance. Checklist ATC scroll lock. 4. Request 4 3 6 3 3 6 5 5. COM2 Cairo GND South 120.400. Tab. Barometer reference. 2. Request 6 4. Weather. Base. Weight and balance. 30. 9. Right main. Weight. CPT footrest. Set. Minimize. Economy class forward. Warning. CG out of limit. Reset. Display fuel. Minimize UI. Expand. 4. Request. ATC. Weather. Weight and balance. Checklist, expand UI, ATC scroll lock. 3. Request ramp connection, ATC. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Assistance options screen. Aircraft unlimited fuel. On. Press F11 to, press F12 to reset to defaults. Press ESC to go, options menu. Page 1 of 1, currently highlighted, assistance option, 2, 5, 6. Minimize U, 8, move UI, display fuel as, gallons. 33, custom toolbar, 33. Left main, Baro units. In HG, custom toolbar, ATC. ATC, checklist, 8, move, COM2, CPT footrest, 3, 5, request catering service, warning,
Player tree 20, the catering truck is on the road.
Text-to-speech services are unavailable. Switching to offline text-to-speech ATC voices. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Controls options screen. Search bar. Search bar. Text entry field. Searching for foo. Request fuel, pop-up window. Request fuel. The pop-up has 3 lines. Use the first line to scan for an input by pressing the corresponding button. Use the second one. Toggle, press F11 to apply and save. Repair and refuel. No bindings. Fully repair and refuel the use. Request, social panel. Request fuel, PC/PS3/Android. Toggle fuel flow, press ESC, options menu. Assistance options screen. Aircraft, unlimited fuel, off. Press F11 to press options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. Assistance options. Button 3 of 4. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. General options screen. Developers. Developer mode on. Press F11 to options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. General options. Button 2 of 4. Minimize U, expand, weight and balance. Weight and balance. Options. Assistance options screen. Failure and damage. Failure. Crash damage. Aircraft stress. Crash damage. Failure and damage. Aircraft system. Aircraft. Auto mix. Unlimited fuel. Off. List with 2 val. Press F. Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. Assistance options. Button 3 of 4. Chrono. Wait. Move UI. R3. Left. Display fuel as 30. 100. 1. Display. 73. Reset. 33. 33. 30. 100. Display fuel at pounds. Gallons. Display fuel as gallons. CPT tray table. Checklist. ATC scroll lock. Checklist shift plus C. 3. 1. Request pushback.
Ground player tree 20 requesting pushback.
Minimize UI panel.
Player tree 20 pushback request accepted.
South 120. Throttle. Engine 2 master. Parking brake engaged. To disengage parking brake, press right control plus period. Gyro G. Altitude step selector. 1000. Set autopilot master 2. Press left click to interact.
Ground player tree 20 requesting pushback tug to steer the aircraft to the left.
Player tree 20, your request has been transmitted to the operator.
Options menu. Page 1 of 1. Currently highlighted. Activities. Button 1 of 4. Test your skills with landing challenges, bush trips and more.